जय श्रीमती, परेड शुरू करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। जय श्रीमती।
Good morning, everyone. Now, let's reaffirm our commitment to our country by taking the pledge. I request everyone to raise their right hand for the pledge. Kindly repeat after me. I pledge that I will hoist the tricolor, respect the spirit of our freedom fighters and brave sons, and dedicate myself to the development and progress of India. Thank you, everyone.
I now request our chief guests and other dignitaries to unveil the wallpaper done by our high school students. बलिदानों का सपना जब सच हुआ, देश तभी आज़ाद हुआ। आज सलाम करें उन वीरों को जिनकी शहादत से यहाँ भारत स्वतंत्र हुआ। A very pleasant good morning to our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Namita Volvodkar, our principal, Mrs. Veena Desai, Vice Principal, Mrs. Jovita DeCosta, Headmistress of Tender Touch, Mrs. N.C. Fernandez, Headmistress of High School, Mrs. Bindiya Volvodkar, our teachers, non-teaching staff and students. A very happy Independence Day to one and all. I, Ms. Sumaya Basha, your host for today's program. It is my privilege to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you present here as we gather to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our great nation. We are especially honored to have among us our chief guest, Mrs. Namita Volvodkar, an active and dedicated member of Damodar Educational Society. We are truly delighted to have you with us today. Your presence is a great source of our motivation for all of us, and we look forward to your words of wisdom. As we commemorate this significant day, we are reminded of the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. It is our duty to honor their legacy and cherish the freedom they have bestowed upon us. Now, to formally welcome everyone, I request our principal, Mrs. Veena Desai, to deliver the welcome speech.
A very pleasant good morning to everyone. Respected guests for today's celebration, Mrs. Namita Prakash Volvodkar, Vice Principal, Mrs. Jovita DeCosta, Headmistress of Tender Touch, Mrs. N.C. Fernandez, Headmistress of Damodar English School, Mrs. Bindiya Volvodkar, dear teachers, staff, parents and my loving students. A very warm greetings to all. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of nation's 78th Independence Day. We are honored to have among us our esteemed guest. I would like to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Mrs. Namita Prakash Volvodkar. Your presence here adds immense value to the celebration, and we are grateful for your time and graciousness. As you all know that we have gathered here today to celebrate 78th Independence Day of India. We should feel proud to be the part of independent nation that has a freedom. I once again welcome you all and wish you all happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you to all.
Thank you, ma'am, for those warm words of welcome. It is now time to introduce our chief guest. I would like to call upon the headmistress of high school, Mrs. Bindiya Volvodkar, to introduce our today's chief guest.
Namaskar. A very happy Independence Day to everyone. Distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, and dear students. It is my honor to introduce our chief guest for today's 78th Independence Day flag hoisting ceremony in our institution. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Namita Prakash Sinai Volvodkar, an accomplished architect, a passionate artist, and a dedicated spiritual guide. Mrs. Volvodkar, a resident of Margao, has made significant contributions to the field of architecture. Her work is a testament to her creativity and her ability to seamlessly blend functionality with aesthetic beauty.
Through her career, she has consistently demonstrated a commitment to excellence, creating inspiring spaces that enhance the communities she serves. Beyond her professional achievements, Mrs. Namita Volvodkar is a woman of diverse talents and interests. She holds a diploma in Kathak, a classical Indian dance form, showcasing her deep appreciation for our rich cultural heritage. Her love for travel has taken her to various destinations within India and abroad, including Canada, Singapore, and Vietnam, broadening her perspective and enriching her experiences. What truly sets Mrs. Wolwotkar apart is her dedication to spiritual growth and community service. She is actively involved with the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, shortly called as ISKCON, where she plays a pivotal role in sharing Vedic spiritual wisdom from the Bhagavad Gita with the younger generations. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our privilege to have Mrs. Namita Prakash Sinai Wolwotkar to hoist our national flag and address our gathering today. Her words, I'm sure, will inspire us to reflect on our roles as citizens and motivate us to contribute meaningfully to our nation's progress. Please join me in welcoming her. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Flowers are nature's way of celebrating beauty and grace. It's a symbol of appreciation. I request our principal to welcome our chief guest with a bouquet of flowers as a token of gratitude. Thank you, Ms. Siddhi Gaonkar. With utmost respect, I now request our chief guest, Mrs. Namita Wolwotkar, to share her thoughts with us.
Namaskar, Principal, Vice Principal, Headmistress, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students of Damodar Education Society. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel immensely glad and honored to hoist our honorable national flag, then give a salute to all the heroic deeds of the freedom fighters. Today is a very significant day for all Indians, which we celebrate remembering the sacrifices of the great leaders
Who have given their lives for today's freedom and prosperity. History is full of evidence of the struggle and the sacrifices of our leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, etc. India, being a larger democratic country, gained freedom through truth and non-violence without using weapons. Now it is our duty to preserve the freedom at any cost and preserve India's unity in diversity. I end my speech with the following quote. Future depends on what we do today. Be the change that you want to see in the world. Thank you for giving me the opportunity for sharing my views. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am, for your enlightening and motivating words. Moving on to the cultural segment of our program, as we continue our celebration of Independence Day, we have a wonderful lineup of performances and speeches that highlights the spirit and significance of this special day. Without further ado, let's begin. Dance is a joy of movement and heart of life. To liven up the occasion and to go to get your feet tapping, here comes our tiny tots with an energetic and patriotic dance performance for you all. I request our Tender Touch primary students to showcase their performance.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान
Well, that was indeed a mesmerizing performance by our tiny tots. शेकड्यांनी स्वातंत्र्य विराच्या त्यागाक लागून मेळ्ळी आमकां स्वातंत्र्यताय. तांची याद मनान सदांच दवरप हीच आमची कृतज्ञताय. With these beautiful lines embracing us and evoking the spirit of patriotism, we have a patriotic song that will surely ignite the fire of love for our nation in all of us. I shall now call upon high school students to perform the patriotic song. Thank you, students, for that heartwarming performance. Let's now listen to another beautiful patriotic song by the students of Higher Secondary School. I now request the students of 11th Arts class to sing for us.
Ga पसा सा नि सा गा ग म रे नि द पसा पसा अंबर उजळीत रवी जळारत आला आ मंगल स्वरतन मन झंकारित गेला अंबर उजळीत रवी जळारत आला आ मंगल स्वरतन मन झंकारित गेला जय भारता मंत्र निनादक दहा दिशातून घुमला 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 जय भारता मंत्र निनादक दहा दिशातून घुमला घुमला
For the mesmerizing performance, I now request our student, Ms. Rimi Gaonkar, to deliver a speech in honor of Independence Day. From the ashes of colonial rule rose the phoenix of independence, and today we celebrate the fiery spirit of freedom that burns bright in our hearts. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. A very pleasant good morning to everyone present here. Today, we gather here to celebrate the nation took its first breath of freedom. 78 years ago, our freedom fighters sacrificed everything for this moment. They fought against the shackles of colonial rule and emerged victorious. Their struggle was just not for the independence but for the right to live with dignity and pride. On this day, we honor the memory of our freedom fighters who faced torture, imprisonment, and death but never wavered in their commitment to our nation's liberty. Thank you, Rimi, for that uplifting speech. I now request Saurav to introduce and highlight the contribution of our NCC cadet Akash Maurya and proceed with his felicitation.
अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने कहा था कि भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। अटल जी ने कहा था कि ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है, ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदियां हमारे लिए गंगा है। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए। और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारी हस्तियों को कोई कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय। I wish all of you present here a happy 78th Independence Day. Good morning to our dignitaries, my colleagues and my dear students. As we gather here to celebrate the spirit of freedom on this auspicious Independence Day, today we have the privilege of felicitating an extraordinary young leader, Senior Cadet Captain Akash Maurya of the NCC unit of our higher secondary. Akash had the distinct honor of participating in prestigious Republic Day parade in Rajpath, New Delhi, marching with pride in front of Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and the President of France, Mr. Emmanuel Macron. Adding to his accolades, Akash has also been recognized and felicitated by the Honorable Governor of Goa, Shri Sridharan Pillai at Raj Bhavan, Donapaula. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a heartfelt round of applause to Senior Cadet Captain Akash Maurya as we honor him for his outstanding contribution and achievement in NCC. I request our Chief Guest, Ms. Namita Valvatkar, to present him a token of appreciation. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sir Saurabh. Songs are loved and enjoyed by all, and the importance of freedom can be easily taught in the way of patriotic song. I now request our 12th science students to present a patriotic song before you. Thank you, students. The best and beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. As we have come to the end of this program, it is time to express our gratitude to all those who have made this event a success. So I would like to call upon Mrs. Seema Pareda to propose the vote of thanks. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Teacher Sumaya. On behalf of the management, staff and students, I take this privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I owe my sincere heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Madam Namita Bolvodkar, for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. I am indeed thankful to our students and the little ones for your beautiful performance, highlighting the needs to be patriotic for our country. I am also thankful to our teacher Newton, the program coordinator, and other teachers and the staff for making the necessary arrangements and making this event a grand success. Thank you all. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.